Hey guys, we're in Babcock Ranch. This is Webb's Reserve. This is another Bay Creek. This one, they've really undercut the price, and I'll tell you why at the end and give you what that price is. But same model and floor plan as we've seen at the others. They've got the 2.5 stall garage. They have really nice views, super quiet. This one's ready to go. The deal fell through. You can see fantastic kitchen, white quartz countertops. We've got gas appliances in here, corner pantry. We have, let me hit this other light too. Fantastic view up here. This is of the fairway. I don't know which hole this is. We've got some water back there, sand trap, water over there as well. Cart path right down there. So you will have some people like buzzing by from time to time, but always fun to watch the golfers. You have carpet in here and carpet in your dining space. You do have the tile in this kitchen area. The bedrooms were already going to be carpeted, but this area in the other locations would be tile otherwise. So that's a big thing for the price difference. Just want to shut this and then we'll just buzz through here. Huge owner's suite, king size bed, chest of drawers, dressers, absolutely. 2 large walk-in closets. We've got a humongous step-in shower here, double sinks, bank of drawers, love that. We've got facilities and the pocket door and your linen closet. This is tiled. But again, everything else is going to be carpeted. So if you're a fan of carpet, if that's your jam, then you can get a screaming deal on this property. Here we have our laundry room. Again, that's tiled. And the bathroom is tiled. But the hall space and the bedrooms, all carpeted. These bedrooms are identical in size. They both have a walk-in closet. They can both accommodate a king-size bed. I've also seen it where you can get 2 full-size beds, 1 chest of drawers in between, just to accommodate a lot of people. You guys, like I said, this deal fell through. It does have golf. It's going for $409. That's pretty much the rock bottom price on that. We might be able to get a little something extra for closing costs or something, but just so you know, that really is their rock bottom pricing on this unit. But if you're interested, go to buyahousewithbarbie.com, like, subscribe, follow, get in touch with me. Look, it's your home. It's your deal. Let's make it happen.